Today's video is on the top 3 best gutter cleaning tools. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Gutter scoop cleaning tools. Clogged gutters can turn into a nightmare fast. But what if you had the perfect tool to make the job quick and easy? That's exactly what this ultimate gutter cleaning tool was designed for. It's an all-in-one solution that helps you tackle stubborn blockages in no time. Whether you're dealing with a single-story home or a taller multi-story house, this tool has you covered. Pair it with an extension pole, and you can say goodbye to risky ladders. Cleaning your gutters has never been safer or simpler. One of the standout features is the multi-purpose gutter scoop. Unlike ordinary tools, this one has a uniquely curved scoop and a compact shovel design. That means it can easily glide through wet leaves, pine needles, and all the messy debris that tends to clog up your rain gutters. Instead of fighting with clumps of soggy leaves or scraping along awkward edges, this scoop pulls everything out with ease. Imagine cutting your cleaning time in half while saving yourself the headache of dealing with stubborn buildup. That's what this tool delivers. Durability is another thing you'll love. Made from high-impact plastic, the scoop is lightweight, yet tough enough to withstand frequent use. Unlike metal tools that rust over time or flimsy options that bend after a few jobs, this one is built to last. It's strong, reliable, and perfect for year-round maintenance. Whether it's tackling leaf buildup in the fall or clearing out debris in the spring, you'll be ready for it all without worrying about your tool giving out. But here's where it gets even better. This tool isn't just for gutters. Its versatile design makes it handy for a wide range of outdoor cleaning jobs. You can use it for rooftop snow removal, clearing out yard drains, or even handling tricky messes around your home's exterior. It's the kind of tool you'll find yourself reaching for again and again because it really does it all. Best of all, this tool gives you the confidence to maintain your gutters safely throughout the year without calling in costly professionals. By keeping up with gutter cleaning, you'll avoid bigger issues like water damage, roof leaks, or foundation problems. It's about peace of mind and protecting your home without breaking the bank. So why put it off? With this ultimate gutter cleaning tool, you'll have everything you need to keep your gutters clear, your home safe, and your maintenance stress-free. Hit subscribe like you're blasting dirt out with the strongest gutter tool on the block. Number 2, best overall. Home gutter cleaning tool. When it comes to home maintenance, one of the most overlooked yet important tasks is keeping gutters clean. Clogged gutters can lead to serious problems like water damage, roof leaks, and even foundation issues. That's why having the right tool makes all the difference, and the home gutter tool is a game changer for this job. It's designed to make gutter cleaning faster, safer, and much less of a hassle, no matter what kind of home you live in, whether it's a garden villa, townhouse, or multi-story house. The standout feature of the home gutter tool is its clever spoon and scoop combo. Unlike regular tools that only scrape the surface, this one is built to pull out soggy leaves, pine needles, and other debris in just a few sweeps. The scoop's curved design lets it glide along the gutter, gathering up everything without leaving behind messy clumps. The spoon side is perfect for pushing or dragging out debris from hard-to-reach spots, especially around gutter corners where buildup usually hides. With both working together, you'll cut your cleaning time in half while making the job a lot less frustrating. Another smart detail is the threaded design, which allows you to attach the tool to most extension poles. This means you don't have to risk climbing ladders just to clean your gutters. Instead, you can stay safely on the ground and still reach high places with ease. For anyone who dreads balancing on a ladder while wrestling with wet leaves, this feature alone is worth it. Durability is also a big plus. The home gutter tool is made from sturdy, lightweight plastic that won't bend, rust, or wear out after just a few uses. It's tough enough to handle heavy cleaning sessions, but light enough that you won't get tired quickly while using it. This makes it a great choice for year-round maintenance. Whether you're clearing leaves in the fall, debris in the spring, or even small twigs after a storm. But what really makes the home gutter tool stand out is its versatility. It's not just limited to gutters. You can use it for clearing out ditches, small garden messes, and even light snow from roof edges. It's the kind of tool you'll find yourself grabbing again and again for different outdoor jobs, which makes it a handy addition to your toolkit. Overall, the home gutter tool is practical, reliable, and incredibly user-friendly. It saves you time, keeps you safe, and helps protect your home from costly damage. If you want an easy, affordable way to keep your gutters and outdoor spaces clean all year long, this tool is definitely worth it. By the way, which of these gutter cleaning tools would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Craftsman Gutter Cleaning Kit. Imagine never having to climb a ladder with a scoop and bucket again just to deal with messy, clogged gutters. Sounds like a relief, right? That's exactly what this gutter cleaning accessory kit offers. It transforms your ordinary wet and dry vacuum into a powerful gutter cleaning machine, making the whole process quicker, safer, and a lot less frustrating. Instead of wrestling with leaves, twigs, and all sorts of debris by hand, you can let the vacuum do the heavy lifting. One of the biggest headaches with gutter cleaning is reaching those tricky areas where debris tends to pile up. This kit is designed to tackle that problem with ease. The nozzles and extension wands make it simple to get into those hard-to-reach spots, whether it's a tight corner or a long stretch of gutter that's usually a pain to clean. You don't have to bend, stretch, or strain. These tools are made to reach where your hands can't, but here's where it gets even better. With the blower nozzle, you can switch things up and blow leaves right out of your gutters. By attaching your shop vacuum hose to the blowing port and connecting this special nozzle, you'll clear your gutters in minutes. No more scraping or pulling soggy leaves by hand. Instead, the airflow pushes them out effortlessly, leaving your gutters free and clear without the mess. The kit doesn't stop at just 1 or 2 pieces. It comes with everything you need to get the job done right. Inside, you'll find a gutter nozzle for targeted cleaning, a blower nozzle for blasting out lightweight debris, and 2 extension wands that help you reach those higher spots without having to drag out a ladder. It's a complete package that takes care of every angle of gutter cleaning, saving you both time and energy. And the best part, you don't have to worry about whether it will fit your vacuum. This kit is made to work with Craftsman wet and dry vacuum, but it's also compatible with most other models that use a 2.5-inch diameter hose. That means you're not stuck searching for a specific vacuum. It's flexible enough to work with the one you already own. So if you're tired of dealing with clogged gutters the old-fashioned way, this accessory kit might just be your new favorite tool. It turns a tough chore into a quick and easy task while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.